Easy steps to create your Google My Business account. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tech-related content to make your life easier. In this video, we will be discussing how to create an account in Google My Business, one of the most important steps for businesses to get started with online advertising. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's understand what Google My Business is all about. In simple terms, it's a free tool provided by Google that helps businesses manage their online presence and reach more customers across Google services, including search and maps, which enables greater visibility and better leads. Now that you know what Google My Business is, let's move on to creating an account. Follow these easy steps. First things first, you need a Google account to create a Google My Business account. This can be a Gmail account or any other Google account that you use. Once you have that sorted, you can move on to the next step. Next, navigate to the Google My Business website and click on Start Now to begin the process. You will be asked for some basic information about your business, such as your business name, address, phone number, and category. Ensure that you fill out the information as accurately as possible because it helps Google provide accurate search results. After filling in the basic information, you can verify your business. There are 3 verification methods: by mail, phone, or email. Google will send a verification code to the address, phone number, or email you provide, depending on your chosen verification method. Once verified, you can add and edit more business information on the platform, such as your business hours, website URL, photos, videos, and even respond to customer reviews. Make sure to keep your business information up to date to avoid potential disappointments for your potential customers. And that's all there is to it. You are now ready to optimize your Google My Business account and make the most of the tools provided. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.